Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be comparing the Soundcore q20i with the Soundcore q30. So which one should you choose? Stay tuned to find out. Don't forget to check the links in the description to grab yours from Amazon, and the best link is given in the description. So first we will talk about the key differences between these two. First we have the parameter of active noise cancellation. So both of the offers the ANC, but the Q30 has multi-mode ANC, letting you switch between modes from different environments, giving it an edge. Second thing, we have the sound quality. So the Q30 delivers slightly better sound quality with enhanced bass and clearer mids, perfect for the audiophiles. Now the q20i is lightweight and comfortable, but the q30i comes with the upgraded materials and has premium feel. If we talk about the battery life, then both of the have impressive battery life, but the Q30 lasts longer, offering up to 40 hours battery with ANC on. Extra features includes the Q30 also supports NFC pairing and has more customizable options in the app as compared to the Q20i. So which one should you actually buy? So if you are looking for the basic ANC and the budget friendly option, the q20i is great. But if you want better sound, more features and premium quality, the q30 is worth an extra investment. So if you found this comparison helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also check out the Amazon link in the description to pick up the Soundcore q20i or q30 today. Thank you so much for watching.